Hey, this is Johnny Snyder here with Johnny S. Weld, and today we are at FABTECH Orlando 2024, standing here in the Everlast booth and EDGE Welding Supply. This is FABTECH, day one.
Welcome to FABTECH, day two.
Watch your head.
Dude, I'm short. I'm probably one of the shortest one here, and it's still.
She's on mine. She's almost 8 years. I was going to say and Cassie. How did it look?
Like even during the summer, like it got up to like, I think the high was like 90 or something like that. Everybody was like, it's so hot. I'm like, got it. Hot? Yeah, I said, where is it hot? I know. This is not hot. Yeah.
Into Saudi, but he's got all kinds of them. So yeah, we have those on stickers also. So here, that's our shirt.
I know. You remember that? That's right. It was purple. You guys did everything purple. Like,
That's our color.
purple. I love it. Chloe. Yeah.
Awesome. That is so cool. Let's get a picture.
Southern Leatherworks Bryn Wells from the Iron Inside podcast. Welcome to FABTECH day 3.
See ya.